Hey, how you doing? This is Sascha.Chatman. You're a Tech Jedi here. Come on, fellow agent, let me show you something. So when I prepare for an open house, I'm extremely prepared. So A, I have flyers and content information that's very helpful either about the house or marketing myself, posted in different places where I know they're going to look. Keep coming. So when you don't want to download your mobile app, so you don't have to be so put in their face about it. Have a flyer out, set it up in a nice spot that has you branded and download the app. Now, when you are a professional like this, and you've already talked to your client and they've done their job and staged and beautifully like our client has done here, okay? When you do that and you are very professional, people start to take an eye. This is how we convert a lot of leads from our open houses. Come on in. Now, I have a team. So, Selena, tell them, what do you do for them?
I make them register and sign in.
Yep. So what she does is get people to sign in on the iPad. We have 2 iPads plus our phones here. And we use an app called the Open House app. It's blue and white. Now we paid for the year. It's all good. It's $20. But here's the deal. From there, you get a CSV file that I can instantly import into either my BombBomb account or eEdge. So that's what we do. Sash, what you got right there?
It's our home buying guide. Here, this has a lot of information in this book.
Yep, and we got that from Keeping Current Matters. Now I did a video earlier this week, I think, about Keeping Current Matters, but beyond that, here's our millennial guide. You can say this is overkill, but listen, people can sign in electronically, we can go old school with the paper if you want. Boom, here's our colorful flyers from Canva, right? We got our colorful flyers here from Canva, eye-catching, popping, $3.99 once again. And let's say this is not the house for them, guess what? Be economical, folks. Be the realtor that gives them value. We show and pull all the open houses in the area and we show them where they are, when they are, and how they can get there. So when you have a buyer who comes in, they're like, wow, thank you. And guess what? They connect. What's up? We have music going. We have our laptop here. We have a station ready to answer any questions whatsoever so I can pull up houses on the MLS, whatever they need. My job is to sell the house and convert the lead. That's what we do. All right? I'm Sascha.Chatman here with my team. So this is what we do to actually get ready for open houses. We're staged around the house, not just for the house, but branding ourselves. So hit us up. Make sure if you're watching this on YouTube, that you like and subscribe. And if you're on KW Connect, make sure that you follow me on KW Connect and invite me to your referral network, and I'll do the same for you. Let's help each other grow our business. All right?
Phone number is 817-668-0311.